In this quick video, I'll show you how to do a voiceover on TikTok. Open the TikTok app on your phone and go to the Creation Suite. You'll see your camera view, record a short clip, or select a video from your camera roll. In my case, I'll go to my camera roll and select a video. Once you've got your footage, tap Next. Now tap on the Edit button. You should know that you can add a voiceover to your videos in two ways. One is by adding your own voice, and the other is by adding an AI voiceover. Let's start with your own voice. On the Editing menu, tap Sound. You'll see options for adding sound, sound effects, and voiceover. Tap Voiceover. Now you can hit Record and start talking as the video plays so your voice matches the visuals. Here, you can see that we've added our voiceover to the video. Now, let's move on to the AI voiceover. To use an AI voiceover, tap Text. Type the text you want to be read aloud, like, "Hi guys, look at the cute dog." After you're done, tap the checkmark. Select the text layer, then tap Text to Speech. TikTok will generate a voiceover for you. If you don't want the text to appear on screen, drag it off the screen, but keep the AI audio. Now let's play the video.
Hi guys, look at the cute dog.
You can see that we've successfully created an AI voiceover for our video. And that's it. That's how to add a voiceover on TikTok using your own voice or an AI voice.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.